your Jeep already comes normally with a toolkit for the Torx, and this is like a T-30, a T-40, and I forgot the size of this one, maybe it's a T-50. But you should have some type of Torx bit kit in your Jeep. And you can see it's a star bit, which has 6 points. And that T-30 fits into these bolts, which you're gonna reuse. You know, counterclockwise loosen, clockwise tighten. The reason I bring that up is because this door check or rear door check has 4 bolts on the main plate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not fool with this bolt or this bolt. It comes together in your package when you receive it, the part when you receive it. And then you got 2, the one that's on the door, one right here and one right here. Your rear door is connected by the hinges, so that supports the door. You're gonna want it about 3/4 of the way open, and then that's where your latch connects when you close it. But basically, you're just pulling that part out. So I just pulled these 2 out, and again, it's not supporting it horizontally. It's, again, that is to prevent this door from swinging too far. So in total, you're gonna have 6 bolts, and this is the piece that you're going to install. And the way I do it is I install this plate first, line up the holes, and install it, and then I wait for this, but I do not tighten those all the way. I just get them just before they get tight, so there's a little movement, so there's a little play, and then I close the door just enough, and I can line up that arm, and then I tighten that one in, and once all the holes are aligned with the bolts, then I go ahead and I tighten all of them. Let me know if you have any further questions. You may want to wear a rubber glove. Gets a little oily and greasy.